Before naming the compound, we should identify what's the functional group of this compound. Here there are three functional groups as NH2, Cl and OH. And what should the functional group in this compound? Here there is a list of functional groups arranged in the priority, and here the priority is decreasing towards down. So you can see that the OH is more higher than the NH2 and Cl. So the functional group of this compound is OH. Next we have to find the longest carbon chain and number it. So as we can see, this is the longest carbon chain, and we can number this carbon chain from right side or left side. Let's name it from left side first. You can see that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you know, we have to give the lowest number to the other groups fixed to the carbon compound. So as you can see, it's from right side that it gives number 2 and 1 to the chloro and NH2 groups. So we have to name the carbon compound from right side, and so we can erase this. Now let's name the compound. As you can see, I have highlighted the other functional groups in green color and main functional group in red color. So let's name this compound. When naming the compounds, we have to first consider about the first letter of these functional groups. As you know, we have to order them in the alphabetical order. So the NH2 amino group comes first. So it's 4-amino. Then it's the chlorine chloro group. It's 1-chloro-1 chloro. Then there are 5 carbon atoms in the longest carbon chain, and the functional group is number 3. So we have to name it as 3 pent, and the functional group is a hydro alcohol group. It comes as all, pentanol, and you can name it as like this. You can name it as 4-amino 1-chloro pent 3-all. We can name this compound in these both ways, and as you can see, the answer is number 2.